feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. We're gone for a year.
Hey guys, good morning. I know I look a mess. I know I look a mess. But welcome to the vlog. Yes. Yes. You gonna have to come up here. That's why I said don't go lay down. So today is Saturday. Happy Saturday. This morning, y'all, I supposed to have got breakfast in bed, but Trey stayed out all night. So my kids came and got me and said, Mom, as they always do, Mom, can you cook us some breakfast? So I'm about to cook some bacon. And I don't know what else I'm gonna cook.
Y'all like my mama nails?
Yeah, they seen them already.
So
Thank you. Say hey, Mama.
hey.
Chance is still asleep in his bed, y'all. This is his first night sleeping in his bed. And my baby didn't wake up. Let me put this light on.
Yeah, I got boogers on, cause
My baby didn't even wake up, y'all, to come in my bed. He didn't get his goddamn bed. Like, my baby did not get up at all. So, I'm guessing his bed sleeps good. Good enough for him. Because my baby ain't wake up. Here's guy. I fixed him like a cappuccino kind of thing. I fixed me some coffee. All of us got these cups. I got this from, y'all see me shopping at Burlington yesterday. So I got these for Burlington. It came with a pack of, I think it's 10. It came with a pack of 10 with the lid and the cup. I just like cups because they're so cute. They're so girly. I got these for a pack of 10 for $3. So I got me some coffee in mine. I got coffee in mine, and they got like a cappuccino sort of thing in theirs. So yeah, I'm gonna cook some bacon, and they probably make a bacon sandwich because I don't have no eggs. I don't have nothing. Okay, we supposed to have went shopping. Trey turn, but he never did. So yeah. They gonna make a bacon sandwich. Huh?
it's 8 cups and 9,
It's 8 cups.
Yeah, 8 cups.
It's 8 cups now. It was 10 in a pack one, or 12.
I think it was 10.
I think it was 10, yeah. So yeah, y'all. I'm stuffy. I don't know why. I think because Trey turned the air on. Okay. Trey turned the air on, so I'm stuffy. And I don't like going to bed cold. So now I'm stuffy, y'all. But yeah, happy Saturday. That's all I wanted to say. They're waiting for breakfast. They're going to get a bacon sandwich. Like I said, that's all I got until I go to the store. Chance really hasn't woke up yet. I think it's like 9 o'clock. And he's still asleep. My baby usually be up. So, y'all excuse that. My nieces is on the phone with Sky. They're at their dad's house. And they're loud. You're good. So yeah. That's all the bacon, y'all. Like I said, I have to go back to the store. That's the bacon. And once they make a bacon sandwich, it's gonna be a whole nice sandwich that's gonna fill them up until we go to the cookout. We're going to like a cookout at Trey cousin's house. And later on, my little cousins and them supposed to be coming to my house. So I told the kids they got to straighten up because my cousin and my little cousin and my little brother Shy supposed to be coming here. So I wanted speak and span because Nene never been here. I want when she walked through the house, I want her to see like the vision of the house, not being junky at all. So we have to clean up before we leave. I'm about to do their hair. I don't know how I'm gonna do their hair. I don't know. I'll probably do like some plaits at the back with some pink beads, and then just let the top be like ponytails or something. Because honestly, I'm really focused on Chance hair because I really do have to plait his hair because I want my baby hair done. Because he don't get his hair done professionally until Tuesday. So Yeah. Oh, this iced coffee, by the way. So, yeah. I'm gonna cook this. We're gonna eat breakfast. I'm gonna do their hair. Y'all, their hair. I'm gonna plait it in the back. Put some beads, like 3 beads. And then I'm gonna do the top and some ponytails. Because it's my weekend. I'm not supposed to be doing stuff. I'm supposed to be kicked back, laid up with my feet propped up, watching TV or something. But I still have to be a parent. That's the whole part of being a mother. Because you do what you can for your kids. You sacrifice a lot. Because I have sacrificed a lot, y'all. A lot. That's how I got my baby this nice house. Because I sacrificed a lot to get where we are today. Because of my kids, y'all. Because of my kids. That's why I say I'm a mother. Don't never say I'm a baby mama. Because I'm a mama. Okay, period. So Mimi's, I'm going to probably do this ponytail. Her hair is different from Sky. Sky got 2 ponytails on the side. Mimi got front and back. But this part right here is going to be plaited. And I'll probably let her keep her ponytail up here. And put a bow like she got now. And give her some edges. So yeah. I'm going to do that once they eat. And yeah, y'all going to see us when we get dressed. Because I got to do a lot of hair. So I don't have time to vlog because of this hair situation. But yeah, when Chance wake up, I'm gonna show him. Probably show him when he get his hair done. Because honestly, when he wake up, he's grumpy. So yeah, I probably show him when he's getting his hair done. So I'll see y'all then. That hair grew a lot.
But I need that time and I see you crying.
Is a heart of a woman. Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so this is my plant now. I didn't even show y'all the before, but this is the after. I replanted it, put ice in it, as y'all can see, and I put Clorox and I put warm water. So it's back in business. Period. That's cute. That's cute. Hey you guys, welcome back to the vlog. I know y'all, I have been abandoning y'all, but I have got so excited about the short videos. They like that. Okay, they like that. So yeah, I'm on my break, y'all, and I'm excited because we go to Mexico. I'm excited, y'all. I'm nervous, but I'm excited because I've never been to another country. But I feel good because Trey have been to Mexico plenty of times. So I feel like, you know, I feel comfortable with him. Plus my sister is going. And another one of Trey friends is going. So yeah. We leave out tomorrow. Y'all see me again, your girl gonna be snatched. Because after I get off work, I get my hair done. Period. So y'all gonna see all that. So I'll see y'all when I get off. New hairdo. Who is that? Period. I got my hair done.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Clayton Street.
My trip starts now. Period. I'm gonna get back to y'all. Cause I'm trying to get home. And yeah, my trip starts now. I have to go somewhere and get me a bag, y'all. I have to go.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Gwen Street. Then take the first right onto Kingston Avenue.
And I have to get my essentials. Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. I know every time I come to the vlog I look different. Y'all, I promise y'all I've been so busy. I've been so tired when I get off work. But y'all, I'm trying to be a content creator. I hurt my wrist today. I think I sprung it, y'all. It hurts so bad. So I'm gonna have to get a brace for it until I go to the quick care, because I feel like it's like fractured. It's hurting, and it's becoming like a everyday thing because of me picking up all this metal and stuff. But yeah, my wrist is really hurting me. I got my drink, y'all. Be hydrated, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time your girl posts a video, period. So I'm sitting in my car, y'all. I'm on break. I'm itchy because of the insulation. I'm real itchy. So yeah, y'all, whatever you do, stay hydrated, because it's so hot out here, y'all. It is hot, okay? Really hot. Oh, it's hot. Well, I'm not really doing anything today. Chance's birthday party was yesterday. We really didn't get no footage. I'll put in what I could put in, but we really ain't get too much footage yesterday. We was busy, y'all. I did all the decorations. Trey cooked all the food, and on top of that, I had to work on my baby birthday, so me getting off work and rushing and putting everything together, like, it was a lot. I've been busy. I had one day off last week, Sunday. I just chilled and relaxed at home Saturday because, y'all, I work Monday through Saturday, so I was tired. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to make the best of it. I just wanted to come in, check in. I'll see y'all when I get off work, though. I vlog when I get back to the house. So yeah, I'll see y'all then. These shots, they say you don't need it.
If I get shot, where it's gonna go?
In your leg.
No.
That's where shots go when they give it to y'all. We had the doctor's appointment, y'all, for Mimi, because we trying to make sure she's up to date. So when she get her teeth pulled, we don't have nothing to worry about. So we have to get all this done before her appointment. So yeah.
I don't need a shot.
Yeah, you get all your shots.
Yeah. And
Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog, if I didn't say so. But yeah, that's what we get today.
we just learned about my
And I'm
teeth.
getting her to check Mimi hard, because we haven't heard anything about it. So if the lady still heard the heart murmur, she still has to go to the heart specialist. Either way, she has to go. But I want to see if this lady can hear it, so I can hear something. So yeah.